Our 12-head shelling machine ensures high-speed, precise shell removal. Each of the 12 independent heads delivers consistent, uniform shelling for maximum efficiency. Adjustable shelling pressure allows optimal kernel protection during processing. Automatic sorting separates whole kernels from broken ones, ensuring top quality. Energy-efficient design reduces operational costs while maintaining performance. User-friendly controls and easy maintenance minimize downtime for continuous operation. Built with durable materials, this machine is designed for long-term, heavy-duty use. The 12-head configuration maximizes throughput, ideal for high-volume processing. Advanced technology ensures precise shelling, increasing yield and minimizing waste. Designed for large-scale operations, the machine offers high durability and reliability under continuous use.